Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Dodge Journey RT. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white, it looks great. You do have the chrome accenting up front with your Dodge badging there. You do also have your halogen headlights and your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 19-inch rims with our tires there. They look great. Still lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice. You do have heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle here, we do have the RT badging as well as the Dodge and the all-wheel drive. Open it up right here. Lots of room back here. It is very soft as well. You can lift this up. You got some storage just underneath there, and you can fold these seats forward as well if you did want. Just like that, then you got some extra room. You got an emergency flashlight right there as well. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you, you don't have to go outside. Now, let's lock it. It does have proximity keyless entry, so you just gotta put your hand in there, and it will unlock for you. On the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Bit of chrome accenting on the handle here, and some storage right down here. Looks fantastic in here. The leather seats are very comfortable as well. You do have the controls over the seats right here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And then up here we do have the controls over lights. So the auto, the off, the daytime running lights, and the low beams, as well as the fog lights if you press them in. And right here is the in-cabin light control. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up. Key is in the cup holder, foot on the brake, press the button, starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. In the center there we also have how many kilometers we have, 33,000, not too bad at all. You also have your vehicle speed, and you can change that around from that to your fuel economy, trip info, tire KPA. You also have your vehicle info, messages. Then you can turn the menu off as well. Now that is controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your call for Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. In the center we do have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display, so we do have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM, as well as our media player if we have one hooked up through our disc, aux cord, USB, SD card, or Bluetooth. You also have your controls over heated seat and heated steering wheel, and your outlet here. You got the climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You got the navigation here, so if you hit view map, you can see we are on Rec Place. You also have your phone options here and your more. Down here we do have our hazard lights, AC, circulation, front and rear defrost, and the traction control. Volume up and down with the power, heat, and cold. And you also have your power up and down, off, auto. Then you have your browser over there, SD card slot, and a CD player. Down here you have lots of room. You do have a cup holder here, and right here we do have our gear shift. When you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. In the center, you have your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You can move that guy out of the way. You got lots of room in there, as well as you do have your USB and aux cord plugins. Over here we do have our locking glove box. Looks great. And up top you do have the control over your sunroof and the lights and a little sunglass holder. And there's our sunroof, looking great. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door, you do have that same chrome accenting on the handle. Control of your windows, handle here, and some storage just down here. Looks fantastic in here. Same material as the front, very comfortable. You can fold this down just like this. Then you do have your cup holders right there and an armrest. You also have your climate control right there. And this guy here is your screen for your player. You also have some plugins right down there as well, and you do have some additional storage just underneath there if you did need it. To fold it forward, you just gotta pull this guy, fold it forward just like that, and you got access to back there. You got some cup holders and 2 more seats, so it does seat 7 people all together. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2015 Dodge Journey RT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.